Assalamu alaikum. Today, inshallah, we will study and make revision for A and An. Let's begin.
I have a nose that smells a rose. Here, we are using a before nose and rose, which are naming words. Let's see another example. I see an alligator snapping at an otter. Here, we have used an before alligator and otter. Can you tell why we used an and not a before alligator and otter?
A N. A and N. For example, we say a ball. A ball. But we say an apple. An apple. Now we want to know when we use a and when we use an. Look here. The first letter is B. But here the first letter is A. Here is B. Here is A. So we should know that we use an when the first letter is vowel. We use an when the first letter is a vowel. We have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. We use an when the first letter is A, E, I, O, U. Give me examples. An apple. Apple. An apple. An egg. An egg. An ice cream. Ice cream. An orange. An umbrella. So again, an comes, A and an come with singular يأتوا مع المفرد, but an come with vowels. And come with vowels. We have 5 vowels and we can draw this face. O, A, E, I, you. When you see a singular word begin with one of these letters, vowels, we use an. We use an. If we didn't find one of these vowels, we use a. We use a. Okay? Let's make some exercise. Egg, book, car, elephant, ant, pen, okay. Let's see the first letters. Egg, egg. Egg begin with E, so we use E, so we use an. Very good. Book begin with B. B, it's not a vowel. ما هي vowel. It's not a vowel, so we use a. A book. Car, C also, not a vowel, so we use a. Elephant, very good, so we use an. And very good, we use an. Pen, no, it's not a vowel, so we use a. An egg, a book, a car, an elephant, an ant, a pen. So again, a and an come with singular, يأتوا مع المفرد. A ball, an apple. Why we use here a and we use an? Let's see. An comes when the word begin with A, E, I, O, U. Like apple, egg, ice cream, orange, umbrella. Like this face. We use an, and these are examples. An egg, a book, a car, an elephant, an ant, a pen. Okay. Now let's begin this exercise. Boy. We choose a or an. Boy. Very good. A boy. A boy. Orange. Orange. A or an? Orange. Orange. An orange. Yes, because O vowel. Yes. Girl. Girl. Begin with G. G. A girl. Very good. Elephant. Elephant. Nice. And why? because it begins with E. Yes. Apple. Apple begin with A. So we choose an apple. An apple. Very good. Table. Table. A table. Nice. Fly. Fly. Good. A fly. Ant. A ant. An. Very good. Butterfly. Butterfly. Begin with B, so we choose a butterfly. Very good. Eagle. Eagle. We use an. Nice.